you people have prepared for UPSC. Let's suppose there is a case study on environment, right? Or there is a case study on डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट. ठीक है, देखो नॉर्मल आर्ग्यूमेंट तो हर कोई सेम लिखने वाला है इन दो 6000 पीपल. हमें क्या करना है, हमें यह देखना है क्या हम 25% आर्ग्यूमेंट को एनरिच कर सकते हैं और उसको अंडरलाइन कर सकते हैं. दैट्स इट. ठीक है, हमें कवर टू कवर इंप्रूव नहीं करना है. वाई? बिकॉज एज अ पर्सन ऑफ 25 years एटलीस्ट वी कैन थिंक इन अ कॉमन सेंसिकल मैनर. ठीक है ना, तो हर कोई सेम लिखेगा, लेकिन क्या 25% तुम चेंज कर सकते हो? नाउ टेल मी इफ देयर इज अ केस ऑन एनवायरमेंट, राइट, और अ क्वेश्चन इन पार्ट ए, टेल मी few keywords that you are going to write in this case. I am going to give you 1 minute. सोचो. You said climate sustainability, right? Mitigation, good. Adaptation, then very good. Who said this? जोर से बोलो. आयुष. देखो एथिक्स से भी कीवर्ड्स उठाओ ना, ये तो जीएस के हैं. ठीक है, नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो जीएस, बट इक्विटी इज द एथिकल कॉन्सेप्ट, राइट? ये तो है, दीज आर द पार्ट ऑफ एनवायरमेंटल एथिक्स. एनी गिवन डे यू कैन राइट. ऐसे तो हम कुछ भी लिख देंगे, फिर वैल्यू एडिशन कैसे होगा? अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, आयुष, environmentalism, environmental ethics, you can write. Then what more? Not in this case. Social contract. वो भी लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन फिर वही हो गया जीएस का. अच्छा, हाँ राइट, ठीक है, लिख सकते हो. जब कुछ नहीं है फिर तो हम सब कुछ लिखेंगे. ठीक है, फिर तो जो याद आ रहा है हमें जीएस से या हिस्ट्री से वो हम सब लिखेंगे. लेकिन अगर वी आर ऑलरेडी हैव सम गुड एम्यूनिशन ऑन आवर पार्ट, देन वी कैन राइट समथिंग बेटर. ठीक है, एनवायरमेंटल राइट्स. देखो फिर ये ऐसा कीवर्ड है ना जो हर कोई लिखेगा. फिर डोंट यू थिंक? राइट बेस्ड अप्रोच, वो तो हर कोई लिखेगा. एनीथिंग एल्स? ऑनलाइन पीपल कैन ऑल्सो थिंक ऑफ कीवर्ड्स सो दैट इट बिकम्स एन एनरिचिंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर यू एज वेल. अब देखो, ऐसा नहीं है कि आई स्लेप्ट वन नाइट एंड इन द मॉर्निंग आई गॉट ऑल दीज कीवर्ड्स. नो, एवरीथिंग कम्स फ्रॉम रीडिंग, राइट? God was not that kind to me that he thought one day that okay, I will bestow certain keywords on this individual because he has to teach ethics. No, right? So I have to read and I can make your job little bit easier. But again, the half of the work has to be done by you. Why? If you do not know the implementation part, again it is all waste. You will just be increasing the volume of your notebook. That's it. Okay? Can't you write ecological blindness? Tell me, is it not a proper keyword? You can also think of it, right? Provided you have that kind of thought process, or you have certain kind of triggering effect. Yes, now you know that such kind of keywords can be made. It will become easier for you to connect two English words and come up with a ethical vocabulary for a particular area, right? Then what else we can write? Don't you think that till the time we will keep seeing things from the narrow lens of nationalism, it will always spell disaster on this world? So What is the important phrase here? Narrow lens of nationalism. अब सिर्फ इतना लिख के नहीं आ जाना है narrow lens of nationalism. What its consequences is going to be, that is more important. What I told you the consequence, it will always spell disaster on the world, and more so on what? More so on least developed nations, right? And what equity says, that yes, everybody, every human being and every nation, developed, developing or least developed, has the equal right, isn't it? Are you getting? समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है, कोरिलेट कर पा रहे हो? Now you may write this name or you may choose to ignore. हार्डन. हार्डन का नाम सुना है? नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हार्डन का अगर हम नाम ना भी लिखें ये चल जाएगा, लेकिन व्हाट ही गेव, दैट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाट हार्डन गेव? ट्रेजेडी ऑफ कॉमन्स. What is the other name of tragedy of commons? Commons dilemma. Right? Commons dilemma. If such words are there, you may get 12-13 marks in your case study, while the average candidate would be getting 7, 8. So there is a clear-cut edge of 4-5 marks in one case study. Then what is the other keyword here which comes from the same concept? Social trap. We are in a social trap. I have a certain kind of self-interest wherein I want to utilize the resources of my locality for myself. And you want to utilize the resources for yourself. Yes, I have to take care of my family. So there is a social trap. Right? They're crossing the Rubicon. What does this phrase mean? Crossing the Rubicon. That you reach a point of no return. Right? The way we are creating a disaster for the environment and the world, we are reaching a point of no return. Tomorrow, whatever efforts we make individually and on the front of nations, no effort will lead to positive consequences. Why? Because then it will become very difficult for us to reverse the damage that is done. So what is happening? Irreversible damage. Isn't it? What we are going to create is irreversible damage. Right? Then other keywords. हाँ, यस. कैसे यूज करोगे? क्या कहा तुमने? कॉस्मोपॉलिटन. यस. नाउ दिस इज द एंगेजमेंट व्हाट आई वांट फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स. कॉस्मोपॉलिटन अप्रोच. राइट? अदर थिंग्स आर इंटरनेशनल इनजस्टिस. राइट? Other point, because of social trap, social injustice is happening. Then economic injustice. Now don't these words sound from the subject of ethics rather than just writing CBDR and all? Then it becomes the GS answer. You are not showcasing that yes, you have done something extra from ethics as you show examiner in your optional. अगर सिर्फ GS का लिख के आओगे तो GS की तरह मार्क्स मिलेंगे. Then what is happening? Give me the example of leadership dwarfism. What example you will quote to show this, the leadership dwarfism? बताओ. Yes, Paris deal. right? Saying, what did he say? That to be in the Paris deal. देखो ये important है. Example is right. You will get a brownie point for this example, but you will get a much better impression if you just extend it little bit more. Trump said that it goes against the national interest to be in the Paris deal. And the another standard example is when there was fire in Amazon forest, right? What the president of Brazil said? That it is the internal matter of our country. We will not appreciate any NGO or any nation to interfere. Now this shows the leadership dwarfism. This shows your leadership short-sightedness. That you are not a leader with a vision, right? It is better to be a person without sight, but not a person without vision. Because if you are a person with a vision, even if you do not have sight, you will do something good. And being a person with a sight and not a vision, it is a much worse disaster for the world. Have some aim. You people know, do not need motivational videos another alternate day. Now we are in a habit of seeing motivational videos from one person or the other on the YouTube, isn't it? We get motivated. Why there is not a motivation inside us when we have a purpose in life? What you need rather is you want purpose in life. If you get the purpose in life, no, you will not need to set up alarm on your phones. It will automatically kick you from the bed, even in the chilly morning. But yes, if you do not have a purpose and a sense that I have to do something in life, you will always be, every alternate day, 3 times in a week, going, yes, today this teacher has posted something good. Let me watch this. That is not going to do something good. Until and unless you read, I tell you, it is a waste of time. ठीक है ना? एक चीज देखो, अपनी तैयारी को, जो तुम्हारी कंप्लीट प्रिपरेशन है, उसको कॉन्क्रिटाइज करो, उसको कंडेंस करो. एवरी ईयर देयर विल बी टॉपर्स, every year there will be topper notes, every year there will be topper talks, and every topper wants to sound different. I tell you, there is a topper in among top 10. I will not name. There is a topper among top 10. Now the marks this person has got in GS and essay is somehow equivalent. There is not much difference, very little difference. Yes, there will be some difference, but why I'm telling you, to show the importance of every area. The marks in complete GS and essay is hardly around 15, 20 or 25 marks from a candidate who has got the rank in 500s. If you do not have this insight about this complete examination process, जितने हाथ पैर मार लो सब वेस्ट होंगे, right? Students come and say, sir, there are videos which say use people. I tell them as a ethics teacher that we have to use things, not people. Never develop such an attitude of using people as a stepping stone in your success, right? Somebody might have said that, okay, you have to use people in your success. No, this life is much more about that. And as we say, what goes around comes around. What you do in your personal life will come to you sooner or later in future. No deed in life goes unrewarded. Whatever you do, whether it is a very small act of philanthropy, very small act of empathy, it will definitely come back to you in one form or the other. That is how this universe has been planned, right? And you analyze sometime, you contemplate and introspect that yes, when you do bad, something definitely going to happen which is going to become a stumble block for you in success. And you do a very minute act, somebody is hungry, but intention is important. What is important in ethics is intention. Now if from today you start doing it but with the intention and motive of yes, I will get something back, it is not going to do good. इसीलिए कृष्णा ने महाभारत में जो कहा है उसको हम प्रैक्टिस करें अगर रियल लाइफ में, एटलीस्ट 20-25%. आई एम नॉट asking you to become sages in life. We are here for a purpose, right? But one purpose of life is to become good. ठीक है? Anything else? ये हो गया. Exactly, right? Statesmanship. ठीक है? Ethical dwarfism का, sorry, leadership dwarfism का. ठीक है? Ethical dwarfism भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है? ये क्रिएटिविटी तुम में चाहिए अब कि तुम क्या कर सकते हो. एनीबडी ऑफ यू हर्ड अबाउट थियरी ऑफ प्लैंड ऑब्सोलेसेंस? थियरी ऑफ प्लैंड ऑब्सोलेसेंस. यस, दे बिकम ऑब्सोलीट. इट इज practiced in developed worlds. Now see how the capitalistic ideology has come to a point to impact us that every product is being planned a predefined life. That is why we see every new product now and then. And what is that said? Ayush was right. Theory or principle of planned obsolescence. Online people also should make a note of it. Theory of planned obsolescence, right? कि जो प्रोडक्ट डेवलप होते हैं कुछ ना कुछ उसमें ऐसा माइक्रोचिप या एलिमेंट लगाया जाता है दैट आफ्टर सर्टेन टाइम दे बिकम डिसफंक्शनल एंड दे विल नॉट वर्क. Then you will be motivated to buy another product, and that is why this world is working, right? If they make a product, mobile phone, which works for 15 years, who is going to buy it? That is why there are so many updates. और कुछ updates तो ऐसे हैं which will make your phone dysfunctional. I have myself seen it. कुछ updates करने के बाद phone और slow हो गया. Now what rubbish is this? And that is how they are coming with new product. That is why what is adding to their profits. When we are buying every new phone on each Diwali, right? So theory of planned obsolescence. What else you can write? Any example from Hindu philosophy? देखो इतना है सीखने को, इतना है, ये महासागर है, राइट? तभी मैंने तुमसे कहा इसका अगर तुमने 25% भी इंप्लीमेंट कर दिया, nobody can stop you. और कुछ चीजें विच वी आर डिस्कसिंग ऑन द होल, राइट? कि ऑप्शनल में ये करो, उसमें ये करो. सो यार ये ना, दिस क्रिएट्स अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी. ठीक है? अनदर थिंग, any example from Hindu philosophy? Diverse example डालो. Can somebody call someone from outside? Any example? हिंदू फिलॉसफी में बताओ, हिंदू फिलॉसफी से कोई एग्जाम्पल दो. फॉरेस्ट को सेक्रेड ग्रोव्स कहा जाता है, नहीं कहा जाता है? फॉरेस्ट को, वाटर को, इन सब चीजों को डिवाइन गिफ्ट कहा गया है. सो इफ समथिंग इज सेक्रेड, इफ समथिंग इज डिवाइन गिफ्ट, ये जरा हटाना तो ये अच्छा ठीक है, ओके. इफ समथिंग, द वैल्यू दैट वी आर अटैचिंग टू समथिंग इज सेक्रेड, डू यू थिंक यू विल स्पॉइल इट? Do you go to your temple at your home and spread dust over there? Does your parents allow it? No. But when it comes to forest, we people are so ignored that we are in a social trap. We keep our houses clean. But when it comes to outside the four walls of your house, you display your real character. Inside house, you are not real. Right? When you are going on a highway, you display your real character. So all these acts are important. We all make mistakes. I am not saying that I have not done it. I have also done it. Right? But we all make mistakes. But more important thing is, are we able to rectify it in future? Are we able to correct it in future or not? ठीक है? Then another concept from Hindu philosophy. अब मैंने 2 एग्जाम्पल दे दिए हैं, थोड़ा सा कोरिलेट करके इफ somebody can tell. हिंदू फिलॉसफी से तीसरा एग्जाम्पल दे दो. आई विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू पीपल. अब देखो, वो तो इसी से आ गया ना, डिवाइन गिफ्ट. समथिंग इज, इफ समथिंग इज डिवाइन, यू विल वर्शिप इट. राइट? कंसेप्ट ऑफ मदर अर्थ. ठीक है? ये छोटी चीजें भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके? कंसेप्ट ऑफ मदर अर्थ.